Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present about our project prediction of rental house using KNN. First, the problem statement. For the problem statement, it is difficult to predict house price due rapid growing of house market. Next, the price of tax that need to be paid by house owner depends on the house placement. As example, on the rural or urban area. Next, for the objectives. Firstly, to do exploratory and analysis on the collected dataset. Next, to develop a machine learning that can determine the suitable rental price from training dataset using KNN algorithm. Lastly, to test the functionality and accuracy of the model using tested database. For the scope, the target user is students. For the significance, students can insert the characteristic of the house. Then the student will know the rental price of the house based on the characteristic. As example, the characteristics of the house is house type, house area, number of room, number of bathroom, and etc.
Okay, for data pre-processing, first we do data cleaning to identify any error or correction in the data. Then we do data transformation to convert the data from object to numerical data. For example, area rural is 0, urban is 1. Then we do data selection to determine the suitable data or attribute for our project from the collected data. And then we do oversampling technique to adjust the class distribution of the dataset from 500 data to 1104 data. So this is an example of graph that show before oversampling and after oversampling. So the data is increasing. Then we do careful model design and development. We take 80% from the data to be a training data. Then we split into 4 files then we make a mini prediction model to find the best hypermeter for real prediction model.
We will continue to explain EDA for this project. EDA number 1, which is the location or area of the student rent. From the graph bar, most of the students rent the house in the urban area compared to the rural area. There are some factors that influence the student to rent in the urban area rather than in the rural area. Next, EDA number 2, which is the rental price by the area. The figures show the analysis of the rental price range in both rural and urban area. There are more expensive rental price in an urban area compared to the rural area. This because in the urban area there are more facilities provided compared to the rural area.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Amirul Mukminin bin Ahmad Jamal. I would like to continue the EDA parts. From this graph, we can see that the type of house, the graph for category equipment provided, the graph for bedrooms, and also the graph for people. So overall, of the students rent the terrace house with the semi-furnished equipment and also have 3 bedrooms. From this, they can live in 7 to 9 people in a house. The graph shows the average of student rent price. Actually, the highest range of price is between 0 to 1,000 ringgit, because this is the best and affordable price for the student rent. With the graph before this shows also the factors why the range is almost from 0 to 1,000 ringgit. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Syamil bin Muhammad Shukri. After the hyperparametric tuning has been done several times, we got the average accuracy of 79.97% in the mini model testing with the use of parameter leaf size 20 and neighbor 1 and P2. This parameter then used to develop the real model, and we achieve the accuracy of testing 85%. In this section, it shows the prediction with the new data that have the attribute of terrace type house in an urban area that have 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom and others attribute. And the prediction result show that the house rent is between 0 to 1000 ringgit. This system make a successful prediction because my house rent that have the same attribute as above is 960 ringgit. That's all from us. Thank you.